You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this basketball team in the NBA based in San Francisco. If you want to learn more NBA names that can be a bit confusing, stay tuned. We've got tons of videos at the end of this one. GSW, or Golden State Warriors. Golden State Warriors. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.